We rearrange groups in place values to carry out operations of addition and subtraction. We regroup in addition when we carry a 10 to the next place value, because you can only write digits up to 9 in a place value column. We use regrouping in subtraction when digits in the minuend or top number are smaller than the digits in the same place in the subtrahend or bottom number. So, for example, if the units add to 14, then we write 4 as the total in the units column and carry 1 into the tens column. That's the other 10 units, which is 110. If the total in the tens column then is 11, we regroup by carrying the 10 tens, 100, into the hundreds column and write the other 110, 1, as the total in the tens. Then we add the hundreds column and write the total 3 in that column. These are the 10 ones that we regrouped as 110 into the tens column. These are the 4 ones left that are written in the units column. Now there are 11 lots of tens. 10 of them are regrouped as 100, bringing the hundreds to 3. For subtraction, we regroup by trading 1 from the higher place value into 10 of the lower place value. That makes it possible to subtract the digit in the bottom number, which was larger than the digit in the top number. You can't take 6 from 5, so you trade 1 of the 3 tens, leaving 2 of them, into 10 ones. Now you have 15 ones. Take away 6, leaves 9. Now to the tens. You can't take 4 from 2, so you trade 1 of the 4 hundreds, leaving 3 of them, into 10 tens. So that now you have 12 tens. Take away 4 is 8 in the tens. Now 3 take away 1 is 2 hundreds.